IDoTV.
Hi guys, welcome to IDoTV. I'm Rose. Today I want to share a simple activity. It's a bingo board. What's in it is laminator, laminating sheets, pictures, felt, scissors, velcro, and a pen. We are going to play a team game, so prepare 2 pictures so that it's easier for children to use. I'll laminate them. It might get hurt by sharp edges, so it's better to cut off the edges. Velcro will fix the cards on the board. Prepare 2 bingo boards. Now let's draw lines. I draw lines so that the kids can make the bingo lines well. Two bingo boards are set. Now let's play a bingo game together.
Seller. Seller. Is there a seller? Yes.
Okay, your turn.
Is there a kitchen?
No? Oh.
Is there a bed? Oh, yes. Are there leaders? 빙고! 빙고! 한 다음에 이건 이렇게 하는 거야. 이렇게 만든 다음. 아니. 이렇게 만들고 되지 않아?
Oh, team, your turn.
Stair bathroom. Yes. 이렇게 하고 이렇게 하면 되잖아. 두 개만 있으면 돼. Stair a kitchen. Yes. Stair 빙고. 얘를 한 줄, 두 줄, 세 줄.
Thank you for watching. Have fun day. Bye bye.